Just want to do a quick video on how to replace a battery on a Gucci watch and putting the cover back on. This I just found last week, rummaging through my old boxes, and it's a genuine Gucci watch. Um, I think I got this when I was probably in high school. It's a little scratched up, but it works. Well, it didn't work because the battery that was in it was dead. And, went online trying to figure out how to replace the battery because I had gone to several places that did replace batteries on watches, and several of them refused to do it, saying that they needed a specific tool to do this. I'm not sure about that. Went to a jeweler and they wanted $45 to replace a battery. So I got this tool online specifically to pry open the back. So you would just go in and pop it open. I already did. I'm not going to do it again because I don't want to have to snap it back. But this is $2 from AliExpress, like a little knife. You could probably get it from Amazon or whatever, and you just feel and pop open. It does. Again, I'm not going to do it now because it was not easy but not difficult, and I'm not going to do it again since I already just did it. And the battery on it is 394. Again, these run anywhere from $5 to $6 to $8, I guess. If you went to a jeweler, they'll probably charge you a little bit more. In any case, I got this from Walmart. Crazy thing is that this is if you went to Walmart and bought this and checked out yourself, it would cost $6.98, $7. But if you went online and bought the same identical battery, it cost me, I believe, 74 cents. So you buy it online, it's 74 cents. And then that's what I did. No shipping fees, whatever. I went to pick it up. It was ready within an hour. So I went after work ish, when I had other stuff that I went to buy, picked it up. So this cost me 74 cents. This is about $2 from AliExpress. And then, so you would open it, replace the battery, make sure you don't break the little gasket-ish, because that kind of seals humidity and water. So, and it's reusable. Buy one of these. It's a 2-inch clamp. Run you about $3 for, depending where you buy it. And then the trick is, which is really important, is to get one of these. This is like cannot bend, cannot break. You need something like this. It's probably like thickness of a quarter. I got this. I have several of these Wyze cams, and a lot of them I don't mount on. I don't use this plate that it comes with, and I have two of them. Some cams come with a bigger one, some come with a smaller one. You need both. So the trick is, one more thing, and you need some kind of foam, packing foam, things that you buy. I tend to keep certain packaging things in case I need it for the future. And this is pretty, it's not super soft at all, but it's not super hard, but it's definitely, it can withstand pressure. So the trick is, as you can see, there's marks from this. These are the markings from when I did it. Double side tape or whatever you need to make sure that this is on it. Okay. Then, sorry if this video isn't super great. It's just one take with no editing. The thing is that this is gonna hit your crystal. So you need something like this that covers, that is bigger. Because if not, if this is not bigger and it's not like bendable, breakable, whatever, you're gonna crack your crystal. Okay. And then the other piece has to be kind of the same size as the cover. Not too much bigger, but not too much smaller, because you don't want to press and dent the cover. I mean, this cover is pretty solid. When I open it, it's not dentable. It's pretty solid, but still, you want something that could cover it where the pressure is evenly distributed throughout the entire cover, not just in the center or not just on a spot. You want it to be evenly distributed. Same thing with this. That's why I use this one specifically, where the pressure is evenly distributed throughout the watch and not on a specific point, especially where it could crack the crystal. So you would do like so, whichever, you know, I had sticky tape here, sticky tape, this. So as you can see how it's evenly distributed. Okay. And then do this. Now this, again, evenly right over it. And then you can slowly down. Now at this point, it's holding it in place now because there's pressure on it. And you know, you can maneuver it, you can release it, center it a little bit more, things like that. And then you would just see how this is like on the center, right in the middle. So now the pressure is on the entire surface, not just in the dead center, because of this, which is really important because you don't want to crack the crystal. Same thing with this. The pressure is right in the center, but because of this plate, the pressure is evenly distributed throughout. And you just squeeze till the cover is seated. And that's it. Sorry I didn't do it as I was going along because I just wasn't sure. I actually should have done it while I actually did it. But as you can see, even that little demonstration shows the imprint from the watch face. Okay, and that's it. Hope this helps. But yeah, cool watch that I found, Gucci.